That is what.
Sir.
Once again. All is well.
Bungan.
All is well. All is well.
We're good.
No, we are grateful. That is what.
My leader.
Yeah, no, they've spoken. You know, in politics when they say people have spoken, there's nothing you can do about it.
Yes, sir.
Numbers don't lie.
They don't. Sir.
Numbers don't lie. Right. And that is what.
Yes, sir.
We had a very interesting conversation with you last time I had you on the show. No, the people have spoken.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I don't know if you were able to watch that clip and probably took the notes and then the comments and all the views and the perceptions of people, what they thought about you and your insight.
To be quite honest, I watched it about twice. I checked, I had people assisting with comments because I was a bit shy. But anyway, there were few comments that were negative, to be quite honest.
That's true.
It's just there were a bit of complaints with tourism. They're a bit haphazard. They were there and there. They were disturbed by that because I could not finish certain stories. Because obviously it was because of excitement. I was also excited. And I was also, my mind was there and there. But I thank God that I managed to say something. Even though it was a bit haphazard, but it's fine. Some people understood what I was trying to say anyway. And for your credit, we have people from China, the United States, the United Kingdom, who are responding, who are part of what you call an online church that has started now because of this.
Wow.
Yes, sir. What I would have loved, Uguti, the team would have written questions to me. What were the main concerns and questions so that we'd answer them properly, or it should be answered. Yes, sir.
True.
On our side, I think the first thing is maybe if we can finish the story. Like for instance, starting maybe like the one where we were a child, and then you were saying it was Akshaya, and then I think you had like 3 stories, correct?
Okay. I think that we are done with that one.
Okay.
I think we are done with that one, and I told you the second one. Right at about 13, Holy Spirit, at about 18, I started experiencing what you call an imaginary friend, right? And maskula elokshine etzakane besimbiza kuthi big, right? But the nature of this friend of mine, he was very possessive. Ubengifuna ngila. Mangikhula mina siphula bebangibiza ukuthi ngi-abnormal because I could speak to spirits outside of the norm, right? And I liked the lady that came before me because she would really read somebody's mind. But njengoba ngintshela ngale this imaginary friend, ubengangifuni ngidlala nabanye abantwana. Ubengibeka la eduze naye. It took me a very long time ukuthi ngiphume kulesa space leso. You can ask around people who I grow up with, bazokutshela ukuthi lo boku madledwa, something to that effect, bekahlala i-1. Because I was busy nalomngane wami sidlala naye, sixoxa naye. Senza yonke would conversate with me. Sikhuluma senza konke okwenziwa ingane nalomuntu wami. But bekangangifuni ukuthi ngiyodlala nabanye abosiphula outside because he felt ukuthi I am losing him. In 19, I'm 13, right? Bengisatshela abantu on the other side ukuthi what you see, this face that you see, it's the second face. This is not the original face engikhule nayo. This is a deformed face. This is a deformed face because as a result of jealousy and witchcraft. I wish I had my previous phone, right? The previous phone had my photos as a child. So I befriended this one friend of mine, bengazi ukuthi he was jealous. eFlagfontein mangabe niyazi Tsakani, there's a place bathi Flagfontein.
Okay.
Mangihlangana naye, I had never thought ukuthi umngane wami unomona. Kanti umngane wami and the mother is a witch and is using the child ukuthi bangatheka. I don't know for what reason. I always go back to say maybe I assume I'm a child of destiny somehow. Sesiyadlala ngelinye ilanga masihlala sidlala in an abandoned house. Masihlala ngelinye ilanga the voice on my side ithi umbheke lo uzokwenzani. Mangithi ngizombheka ukuthi lo uzongenzani ngizwe enye into ingiphusha. That's why if you see my face is not straight, it's crooked. I started being deformed from that. Ubuso bami bangahlali kahle. Because of I think it was envy or jealous. I'm not really sure, Spula, but it happened as a result. That's why ngithi mangabe uzobheka ubuso bami bubheke with a spiritual eye. Ngoba ngelinye lamalanga I'm old mangisengimdala kanjalo ngiyopastara elinye ibandla somewhere ngithola ukuthi anginandawo yokuhlala mangithola ukuthi anginandawo yokuhlala nginikezwa umunye ugogo indawo yokuhlala lo gogo lo abe ugogo ngifeedayo ukudla nginikeza ukudla ngelinye ilanga angizele neplastic eligcwele insipho because I had nothing, I had no provision from anybody. Angilethele le plastic eligcwele insipho. If you can see ubuso bami, and I want everybody to see this, ubuso bami bu dark here and I'm white somewhere nyakhanya the distinctions right. Ngithi mangigeza ngalensipho kwaba nezinto ehamba ebusweni bami. Zihamba ebusweni. I do not understand what were they kanti ilwane. And inkinga ukuthi ilwane maziba khona zikubangela isichitho. I became so dark. This is a result sengiyazaba manje as a result of an old that I pray for bese ngiyasula ngayo. Kuyazameka namhlanje because the intention bokuthi ngiluze self esteem ne confidence yami. Ngingakhona ukuzithemba.
Yeah. I'm with you.
I get worried.
We're on the touch line.
We're on the touch
You
line.
and I were on the touch line.
So this is a product. It's a product of which is gathering to make sure ukuthi I do not look the way I should. Ngithi mina mangahlala nami manje sipula inyawo zami azilingani. Les ezithu azilingani. Why zingalingani? Ngilele ngelinye lamalanga mangilele kaso ngizwe inyawo zami they are being pulled. This one elaka left alingane laka right. And abantu bangibatshela bacama ukuthi there's no such thing. Ikhona into enjengaleyo. Mangabe uzongibhekisisa ngihamba ngathi nya, yabona? Because inyawo zadonswa. This one, la donswa leli one remained. I don't know what was the intention with that one, but I assume because of its destiny, there was an alignment, disalignment that was supposed to be taken place. Ukuthi ngibe misaligned. Because everything emzimbeni wakho is symbolic of something. Everything that is in your body, it symbolizes something. Your eyes symbolizes vision, imagination, and so forth. So my assumption with this, because as a spiritual person, you understand, they speak of destiny and a path. So they were trying to make sure by the grace of God. I'm standing today. I'm standing today. That's why be careful who you date. I slept with this wonderful that girl was beautiful and curvaceous because of seasons of disobedience influence it. Manglala and abantu I call her whenever I speak, but it matters not to me because I've seen it happened. Siyalala kungena inyoka phakathi kwethu soyi-2. I feel it but I cannot see it. I started developing pain on the right leg. Ingakhona ukusebenza kahle. Because I had engaged in acts that I was not I could not decipher what kind of a person or ukuthi umuntu onjani lo osondela phambi kwami. Uphetheni unani? so that when I engage with them, I engage from a point of being informed. Idata yam nabo, it's correct. Ba understand. Senathula ke mina ngithusa masentulile. So angazi mangabe bekhona imibuzo ibikhona because bekhona into bengifuna ukuthi sike sikhulume ngayo abantu bazoyiqondisisa. Kunalento le webhutisipho an adult that is caught up in a stage of being a child. Yilento esibiza ukuthi mind capture, right? When the mind is captured at a certain age. That's why uzothola abantu abadala bangabantwana. It is not because of any psychological misdevelopment or anything. It is because a part of him and a part of his soul were captured at a certain area. So with men, it goes like this. Amadoda yenzakala because of witchcraft. Amadoda uzothola ukuthi bana le bomma syndrome. Ndaga mama syndrome. Angazi nayeza lento lengisho. The syndrome that is always looking to go and being breastfed. They're captured within that season of their life. Their mind is fragmented. The witches sayibona bathatha impilo kaSiphula at a certain age bayifake phakathi kwebhodlela and trap it. But by a trap, so that you become dysfunctional. You do not have what you call adulthood. You are growing in age and number, but you have been trapped in a certain time. It happened at some point, ukuthi bangifake ilwane la endlebeni, where I was being controlled. That's why uthola abanye abantu ezinye izinto zabo zidelay because in mind yabo the capacity yabo to articulate certain things, it is trapped within a certain season yempilo yabo. That's why ungamgqeki umunye umuntu because you don't know lezinto ahamba ngazo zisukaphi. We have been touched sike sathindwa ubutikoloshi. And ukhumbule ukuthi masikhuluma ngotikoloshi asikhulumi ngesithunzi la sikhulumi ngesipoko asikhulumi ngesithunzi sikhuluma about a concoction of an animal and a human being. Yeah, it's a concoction of an animal and a human being. Sikhuluma ngalento le. Just imagine umile nentombi yakho nechere yakho, a thing comes and touches your private part. It touches your private part and you actually ejaculate. And the lady will say to you, "Kantini manje yabo?" Because these things are around, are happening. Angikhulumi hearsay, I'm talking about personal experience. That had happened to this person, and anyone would say otherwise, this their baby. But I know and what had happened. And these are the things that I want to warn people to be careful. Always be careful. Always be careful of the environment. Ibheke kahle. Should I continue, sir?
Yes, sir, please do.
Let's
do what I'd like to do.
Yes.
Also, that is what I would like to do justice to, so that what we have noticed the most,
Yes, sir.
is how people were relating ikakhulukazi to what you were saying, to sharing with us.
Yes, sir.
Kakhulu. So in terms of questions, ukuthi ikakhulukazi, I will just try and go through as much as I can.
Please let us
So
do that.
So asibuyele again ekutheni wena bhuti into kakhulukazi esasiyizele initially
Yes, sir.
was to assist to know ukuthi what are ghosts,
Yes, sir.
how do they operate,
Yes, sir.
what kind of people that sees amalona ipogi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you went further on to narrate your story.
Yes, sir.
Which is, hence I'm saying, quite interestingly, abantu abaningi, they related to your story. So I think maybe into ebalulekile engathi mina mangicabangisisa kahle wona Ntate Sfazi,
Yes, sir.
is also you talked about ikhandelula
Yeah.
abantu abakhona ukubona ipoki.
Yes, sir.
Right? Abantu ababona ipoki. Right? Then I'll just do this quickly. Anza, ngizacela nje ukuthi as sisase busy neHotman lam, just for you, just to check if there's any questions mhlambe that might need our attention as engazathi izoba nje a thorn emntwini mhlambe ekumele nje ukuthi siyitake. I think this will be able to assist us as well, so that it will give direction nakuba busifatha.
Ithi ngenze soba
Nah.
bafethu.
Naku khona.
Content ngifuna ukuyiphendula and ngi-explain it very well.
Okay.
We are Africans, first of all. Ane? We are Africans. And one of the things eyenzakala by what you call missionaries, ilento le yokudevelop i-African traditions, right? Nangizwa bafethu mos.
Okay.
And demonize it. I stand on this. This is what I stand on. Ukuthi ugogo wakho olele akusilona idemoni. But the face and the body can be used otherwise. Akusilona idemoni. Your parents are not demons. They are your parents. Ngifuna ukuyilungisa leyo. Because inkinga ukuthi sigcine sesiliswana i-misunderstanding. Ukuthi masikhuluma ngelwane, masikhuluma ngamademoni, sikhuluma ngani? Masikhuluma ngamademoni, what are we talking about? Masikhuluma ngelwane, sikhuluma ngani? Mangizothi ugogo owangikhulisa bese ngimbiza ngedemoni, which means I am also insulting my lineage.
That's true.
I am also insulting the people that abangizalile. Understand? So bengifuna ukuthi si clarify lento leyo. Ukuthi ugogo wakho olela kusilona idemoni. Angeke futhi aphinde abe idemoni, but the structure and the face can be used ukuthi akudisturb somehow empilweni yakho. Bengifuna ukulungisa lokho because a lot of people were offended by certain statements engizikhulumile. But I wanted to fix that one first. Are we finding questions, Bafethu?
Yes. Ngicela answer the first one, just right on the first one. As we're still discussing, just to go through it quickly, and then maybe mhlampe ikona idinga clarity because it's a long paragraph. If it might need some form of clarity. Yeah, just go through it whilst we're still sorting out the issue. Kakhulu la kuyo manje.
Yes, sir.
Le yamademon. Very interesting. Let's dive into it. Now, where did the story? I know personally ukuthi mara ngiyazi kancane ndaba khona. Someone to me had explained ukuthi Hateb, this thing le ubaba uSifatha show, it is true. Your parent is you.
Yes, sir.
When they pass on, they will never under any circumstances become demonized.
No.
Now, there is a story behind it in Tatesfatha. If you know the story, I know what it was an ancient story whereby due to ingazati this person was a seer or a fortune teller or something like this. So that spirit that was helping this person appeared in a form of umzali noma, a family member of that person.
Yes, sir.
Right? It's called familiar spirits.
Yes, sir.
Now, this person, for so many years being a seer, a fortune teller, and until one day that spirit revealed itself, and it was Lucifer himself. And then he was amazed, good to all along, you are the ones that has been giving all these revelations. So that is why my understanding is that's where they started to, but there was so much confusion. And then they ended up saying Abazalbe to our family members are demons. So please clarify what I'm sharing now. Is it the right story? Would Nyampela had that's the story, or plus minus the story, or do you know a different story from what?
No. I need to. We've got different traditions. Mankuluma about traditions. We're talking about stories, right?
Yes.
Fanele sikhumbuleni into eyi-one ukuthi on the face of what you call earth, there is no person who is powerful as an African.
Okay.
There isn't anyway. So now, when missionaries who had intentions to come to this continent and destroy it and destroy its people, Bakala, they concocted stories. They make stories. The intention was not the advancement of the gospel. The intention was to steal and to capture the country. That is why, can I just go a bit further? That is why every president of this country from 1948 is a Calvinist, is a Christian Calvinist. Thugs. You cannot be a president of this country up until 94 if you do not belong to a certain secret society by its name. Nayazangit, I will not say it. There's a secret society. The intention was ukuthi mabasitshala le story ubheka abantu bakini ngelinye ilihlo elibi. They were trying to Christianize people in the wrong way. So it's another part of the tradition. Ukuthi yazi lento le deep kanjani Buddhist ukhumbula ukuthi let in Bible when the sons of men saw the daughters when the sons of God saw the daughters of men beautiful, the sons of God, we're picking about now powers idalwa ezulwini zabona amadodakazi wabantu amahle zabathatha zabayenza abafazi. It is now then we experience le ndaba yokuthi manje mangabe kuzofika lento esibiza ukuthi uNoah. It is historic. It is archaeological evidence is there. The stones is actually ukuthi and such an event is there. But ukhumbula ukuthi makufa lezilwane ezingabantu zifa kule flood appear what you call and name demons today.
Okay.
Demons are not fallen angels. Demons are these sons of men who saw the daughters, sons of God who saw the daughters of men as beautiful and take them as wife. That's why they're still crying out for a body even today. So now, Maba created these stories, they want to disempower the African. So now,
I just want you to go straight into it and clarify it once and for all.
Ukuthi
lento ukuthi abazali mabashona.
No,
please.
Angeke ugogo wakho ngicela ukuyiphinda softly. Angeke ugogo wakho okuzele. And ngicela ukuphinda so the misrepresentation of the gospel yemoshile. They misrepresented the gospel to an extent that they demonized our cultures and traditions. In misrepresentation of the gospel, it means everything that you used to do, even though but because we want to win you over this side, we are going to demonize it. So that's where these elements of demonizing people, there isn't true ukuthi ugogo wakho ucabanga love my grandmother. Abayidemoni kanjani? Yini emenza ukuthi abayidemoni?
That means I'm a demon as well.
Kusho ukuthi nawe idemoni nawe inzalo yedemoni.
Ngoba ngizalwe uye then.
Kodwa usikhumbule ukuthi kune Luciferian agenda, right? There's a Luciferian agenda that will take the form of your grandmother, then attack you or make you do things because of the reverence that you have for this old woman. Because of the reverence that you have for this woman, that's why uzothola umuntu athe ugogo uthi ngenze so.
That's true.
And manje uyabheka lezi zinto ethi ugogo ngizenze ziphambene nokulunga. Akunagogo wesiphula sikhuluma iqiniso lika Jehova. Akunagogo ozothola indoda njengami ethanda abantu besifazane besithi ngiyolala namanye amadoda. Akekho.
Impossible.
It cannot happen. Ngokuthi ugogo according to divine protocol ufuna ukubona isibongo siqhubekela phambili. Manje wena masolala namadoda yini le? Uyindoda ulala namadoda. Where is this progress of this family kasfazi yoqhubekela khona? So now i-agenda fanele singayikhohlwa. I'm a Christian but I know the agenda. Ukuthi there's an agenda. Ukhumbule ukuthi this is how the earth was governed. The earth was governed by sons of men. That's why uba netheme ebayibiza ukuthi umvelinqangi. Umvelinqangi is not actually God because uNkulunkulu akavelanga ukhona. Umvelinqangi is a spirit that was given authority over the continent which we call Africa. Nabonomkhubulwane. So these are the beings that were guarding our people. And they were entrusted by God to do that again. So manje kwenzakala into esomta kababa. Ukhumbule ukuthi the Luciferian agenda is against not only the black skin but what also the black skin carries. I-agenda yini mfethu? Siyazi ukuthi vele kukhona imimoya esebenzayo esebenzisa abantu. Siyayazi leyo. Ikhona. So that tradition is true. Let me say that. That tradition okhuluma ngayo, it's true. Uyazi kukhona into esibiza ukuthi i-priesthood siphula. Ufuna ukuyichaza kahle lento le abantu bazo understand. Yeah,
Yes.
ngicela ukuthi kancane nje ngicedele la.
Sicedele, yeah, just on this one.
Yazi why ngifuna ukusho kaso ukuthi abantu ba understand ukuthi the way uNkulunkulu beka establish izinto ngakhona beka yenza i-priesthood of the house, right? Ukuthi usiphula uzoba yi-priest of the house.
That's true.
And he will go into the mountain and meet with the high priest. Athathe into zikaHadebe ayozitshela the high priest. So now people become self-centered and they created their own gods. That's why uzothola ukuthi within a region there was a priest that was appointed by God himself to be a mediator between them. And in the house there was also a person who was assigned with divine things of the house. So now manje that what has happened, Ingamla understood these things. Then bazama ukudestroy lento le maka bayidemonize and bademonize into kaNkulunkulu. Asoya ngithulela
Okay. The flawless.
One question from Unontandra on the comments you're saying. Umbona kanjani if let's say unomntwana and then wa-checkwa spiritually, you are suspecting that your child is being attacked spiritually.
Umbona kanjani umntwana?
Oh, yes.
Okay, number one, kufanele sibheke izinto ezinormally bese kuba nama-contradictions, right? If a child ukhulela endlini, yabona ngicala ngesimple.
Yes.
Ukhulela endlini ephendula kahle, ehlonipha. Jikijiki umntana uqala sekakhuluma kabi nomzali, uba moody, uyazi-isolate. Umntwana is-sleep patterning. Let me tell you about bazali. Check the sleep patterns abantwana bakho. If your child snores heavily, that child is under attack. If that child uyagquma ebusuku, that child is under attack. If that child is sleepy most of the time, if that child is tired most of the time, that child is under attack. If that child is a girl and ama cycles are okay, our flow is the same, that child is under attack.
Obufazi.
Yeah, umfazi. And if that child, that child at the age of 15 is a boy, and if that child umfana is considered ukhitha imbewu, that child is under attack. Ukhitha imbewu, sayazi ukhitha imbewu yini ngithi. Maka bohlala echamile yena njalo, that child is under attack.
But it's dudla somoya ka.
Yeah. Because there is a natural, iphuma kancane ngishilo futhi. Know that that child is under attack. Any question futhi? Ngicela ukukhuluma nabantu besifazane kancane.
Okay.
So if they do discover that the child is under attack, what sort of things could they do to maybe protect themselves and the child
At
from
least.
further attack?
Okay, we need to identify what the problem is and what kind of a child do you have. What kind of a child do you have? What kind of frequency that child flows in? Because lezinye izinto zenzakala ukuthi zemsabotage yena. Ane? That's number one. Ukuthi lo mntwana umntwana onjani? Uyiphi? Uyinhlansi na la ekhaya? Ungukhanya na, ungumpriest wala ekhaya, ungumnyula wala ekhaya. So that child sim understand ukuthi umntwana onjani. Number two, angithi manje mina ibuzo umuntu ongumfundisi angithi bafethu. Mina I always believe ukuthi a child can be prayed for. But let me tell you something. Khona abantu into abangaunderstand. There is something lithi bangicela ukuyikhotha this verse nizo understand ukuthi ngizama ukuthini.
Okay.
Lithi honor your mother and your father, right? Kuzinsuku zakho zande zona zithi honor God. Siphula. Ithi honor your mother and your father.
That's true.
And New Testament, this is the first commandment with a blessing.
Promising to it.
It means ukuthi after God is your parents, beside Trinity, kusho ukuthi abazali on themselves they have the power to speak to that spirit emntwaneni sihambe. Am I making sense, right? Banamandla because they've given a divine authority. Why mama kumaka kesu keseke?
Yeah.
Why maka khuzu khuzeke? Why maka fanele sixoshe lesilwane singaxosheki? And then number 2, we have a generation abazala abayidomu. But democratic too much in the house. Let me give you an example. I was delivering a child at Danhauser in Natal. Lo mntwana lo manqeda ukumthandazela, the spirit sagijimela TV sayohlala TV. Sasuka TV. Abazali, you need to start having boundaries around the house. Umntwana akusumnganakho. You can be friendly, but you cannot be friends with your child.
I wanted this first. Asitsho miyaka ngwanaka.
No, your child, you cannot be. A friend is something that there are people that are calling me. Can you take it, sir? Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ingaphazamisi lona yini. Your child, by divine appointment, your child is not your friend. Friend umuntu enikhumulelana inibonisana amabele naye. So once your child inibonisana amabele, lose the authority and the respect yakho. And therefore the barriers have been bled. And spiritually, kunama spiritual consequences for that. You cannot be sitting down and drinking alcohol with your own child and discussing boyfriend and girlfriend with your child.
That is fast. Uhataba to the cons.
I don't know.
Wabona wetsa.
I don't know.
Wabona wetsa. Phela rona re tsuba di happy papi le bana ba rona. Re a kopa.
So angithi sizoletha solution we had there.
Okay, buwan that is fast.
We can, because yithi esifaka abantwana bethu engozini. Divine authority, there is God and God is God. There is a parent and the parent is parent. Divine authority, if the child ubuya ngo-10 ebusuku makalale toilet so that they could learn.
Bafred, at this point in time, you know there's a nerve, angithinta ngayo, and I know you connect to that nerve. Right? Please, I'd like you to send in your grievances. And usho dewe ukuthi sipho yabona lo muntu lomphethe this time angazi ukuthi udle kudla kuni. Let us know so that let each one teach one. I always say this to this show. For as long as the Son of Man still lives and we are still doing this podcast, we will forever teach each other and grow each other. So to podcast, so to heights over fit. That is what Kube.
So, ngicela nivale nomnyaka ngibathi step kanjani asikisini bafethu. Because these things I think they are important. Bengikhuluma about the spirit ise yabona kune cherry. Kune cherry engeke iziphinde ishade because yaqala yathintwa yisithunzela. Yatesta isex ngesithunzela. And therefore the experience is supernatural. That's why ugela suka from this guy to another guy because is ukijimisa high. Hey, no, there was a supernatural being, eyamthinda. Ngicela ukuyiphinda lento le important. Kunamantombazana ahlale alele akhathele ebusuku. Ahlale mavuka ukhathetse. The being comes, ngicela ukuyisho kayi-2. Ngicela ukuyiphinda lento le ngikhinga iphinda kule podcast. Kune out ekuthanda esabe ukutshela. Kodwa kibe kunomuthi wokuzimboza ebusuku, ikulale. And mayikulala kaso, when you'll be attracted to the scent. And one of the things ozoziyenza uzoqoma loya because ufuna ukubona le ndoda le awuyitholi. Yabo? Abantu balala yilwane. Abantu, I'm telling you, khona abantu la phakathi kwethu abaqimi isibani. Because immediately makalala nayi lento la yamthinta. Abaqimi at all. So if you have a person like that, that person has to be prayed for. Because lento ayikho into ebuhlungu ukuthi yabona mina ngihlale ngithi umuntu oshaya izolo nixoleleni Rastafarians, right? There's something that I need to make. Kunalento esibiza ukuthi high. It's like chasing a mirage, a state of consciousness. It is like that with a guy or a girl okay walala nesilwane. Because yabona le silwane le inamandla. That's why umbona bathi usiphula iplayer, usiphula siplayer, usiphula unenkinga ufunana nalento yamthinta akayitholi. Questions?
You have any question? Yes, sir.
Yeah, so my question would be going back. So, let me know why abantu in most cases they see amadlozi to be deemed with this because let's say my mother was a witch.
Mm-hmm.
She died being a witch, like pure witch. Not saying it's a witch doctor, no, a pure witch. Akazimete, wasanga pedi mali, and then all of a sudden ngiyafunda ngisesikolweni and then thiwa beliphahlele mama. So what I want to know is that usuphahlela ubani yini ezikunikeza yona. And what knowledge is she gonna give you? Is she gonna give you a good knowledge because of don't show a lawyer, right? Shona Taga and so on to this. So what knowledge are you gonna get? Because must your passion, so you the knowledge and wisdom, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So what knowledge am I going to get from my dear parent who is gone?
Okay, asilungisela abantu abakholelwa edlozeni bazowazi ukuthi nawo amadlozi awu-2 kunedlozi elibi nedlozi elihle. Angikholelwa edlozini ke kodwa ngiyawazi. Kunedlozi elibi. So everything that you are going to get from that person is corrupted. And number 2, this is what Usfatsa believes and it is established truth. The greatest blessings also uzithola umuntu enephila.
Wabo?
Ngicela ukuphinda
Wabo?
uzithola emntwini because there is this culture in our country abantu mamelani bafethu mamelani bafethu sinenkinga eyodwa sibahlonipha bebefile mabasaphila sibahloniphi. There is this thing in our country eyenzakalayo and in our culture eyenzakalayo. Siyothenga ingubo ezinkulu. Ezinye izinto ezingahambela abanye abantu phakathi wethu ukuthi uhluleka ukuthekela unyoko impuphu. Uyoyithenga kanjani ukupha kanjani impuphu eseshonile. Uhluleka ukumthengela impuphu wesiphula uma wakho walamba ufaka amawizi sifaka yabona ngigcoke smart kanjani ugqoka ube muhle kodwa now you go to the grave yiziphi ibusiso because divinely you have not accessed the door when she's alive uzoyithola kanjani esefile because you are being disrespectful. So my brother, I'm trying to answer you. Ukuthi that spirit is evil. There's nothing that you are going to get from them because uhluleka saphila. Fana nokuthi umuntu ezongitshela mina wesiphula ngikhulisanga ngobaba azothi into zami ngeke ilunge ngokuthi ubaba afanele ngiyothole isibongo sika baba. Mamela mfethu. A child is born within a culture but they are not defined by that culture. They are unique beings, individuals carrying their own stuff. And one of the access places in which, because whenever your father is God assigns somebody to be your father. It's either he takes the responsibility or assigns somebody in the community because lawyer ube yisilwane azangabe umuntu. Bangakhi abantu today who are doctors, nurses, engineers, presidents who are not caring. And let me say this, let me be controversial. How sure are you good to Agahate? How sure are you good to Agahate? Let me make this. There is something that is a divine grace. And abantu bazongiphikisa ngayo, in natural grace. Uyabona umntwana makakhulela phambi kwaSifatha takes the form yakaSifatha.
That's true.
Nathula. Umntwana uba orientated against the Usfatha. And again, there's a ritual that is done by elders mangabe sokunehlazo ukuthi umntwana abe orientated towards kwaKhadebe. We are not sure ukuthi labantu bakabhungane all of them that are born abakabhunganga sibona bakaSifatha and we're not sure. Which means there's a possibility labantu abathi bayaphahla they are passing to the wrong. There's a greater possibility ukuthi abobaba bethu bebahamba basebenza emining. Umama because nayo nenkanuko umuntu athinte ubhuti wase next door, abogogo balifihle ihlazo ngokuthi kunezinto zezinto ezipowerful ezikhona ukwenza izinto zenzeke. Nina nizazi nina. Kunezinto ezenza ukuthi umuntu abe yilento leyo. Bathi mabayohlola babhekela bathi lo noma kuthiwa ngubhunga nomthimkulu. So izinto zakho zizohamba right because by divine appointment fanele zihambe right. Ananginandaba ukuthi kunabathakathi abangakanani izohamba kahle. Ngisengithulile. I'm not sure ukuthi nami ngokwamahlanga. Because my mother could have had an affair with somebody else, right? But how is it my destiny affected by his surname? How is it affected by his surname? I believe in genealogy and lineages. I believe in generational blessings. And one of the generational blessings within our family is that we are priests. We are men of the cloth. We are men of intellect within our... it's a good thing that comes within my zikhona izinto ezinhle that comes out of ilona yethu.
Zingaphakathi.
Zikithi. Izinto eziphilayo zithintwa abantu abaphilayo ukuthi ziphile. That's why when I lay my hands upon my daughter, I said, God bless you. I don't care how powerful that demon is. You are going to be blessed because there's divine authority over you. That's why umuntu azohlala 10 years angasebenzi because uyowadelela unina. And inhliziyo kanina zangihlale kahle. Divine authority. Hayi mina amadoda abangithandi azangihlonipha ubaba wakho ekini. So the principles of the spirit is that if you do not respect this one, we are going to break everything that you are going to start. Sengithulile. Question. Yes.
So I didn't have a good relationship with my dad.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 2 days before he passed away, was again in Kuku.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
But besingabhekananga so besibhekene.
Yeah.
So the last time I saw him, like I was like, I don't know, like I said, because when feel like I mengimbheka ngibona phila.
Yes, ma'am.
So since uthi umuntu like make sure nayenza into enhle. Ne, make sekangathi there's no way ukuthi
It's impossible.
So njengoba baxolisile kimi it means ukuthi
No, ukhumbula ukuthi it was a transitional period, right?
yeah.
It was a transitional period. It happens to a lot of people. When they're about to pass on, they make amends through dreams and visions with other people.
Because someone told me ukuthi for yena ukuze
Yes.
because of the thing nayo.
Yes. You remember what I told you about ghosts? They were not at peace. And one of the things that I was going to your father, make your father a ghost, it was because he was not at peace with you. Yabona kubalekela kanjani ukuthi into sizilungise sisaphila. Kubalekile ukuthi ubani uhamba yilwane la ebusweni, hamba izinto la. Ngicela ukuhamba. Oh, uwesisi. Okay, siyabonga. Siyasicela sichuleke.
That is fast. Yeah, guys, lapha emakhaya. You can see what the fire has been brought to another higher level, which is we then need to. That is what I always say this. In order for us to then sishintshe indlela is, I need to always say this. Thina abantu abamnyama. Hey, thina abantu abamnyama. I then started to stop myself with this, but don't put it upon yourself.
Yes, sir.
Neither to your children. Yeah, but if I need to say something negative, then I'll stop myself. Ne? So it's always important ukuthi masingaqala qala la thina.
Yes, sir.
Sahluzeka la ukuthi I'm willing to hold a conversation and silwe ngokuthi yazini mfethu bring the facts.
Yes,
Let's contradict each other. Hayi ngezandla, hayi ngenzondo. You understand? But with powerful facts to make me say, okay, this is where I've overstepped the mark. So this is how I need to fix it. Because that is what and a lot of people tell what they had there. You said this question that you're asking, how do I authentically say boldly ukuthi ngempela mina ngibona so umthimkhulu mashamali yimi lo? I do not know. I don't. Because if I can tell you history yasedladeni in my father's side, it's very distorted. Very distorted. The time ngisasengale bengithi ngiyayilungisa. Athola ukuthi mangiyale bangitshela ezinye izinto engawathi hayi trust yo ngathi hayibo. Then I decided for me to be at peace and to focus on building me. Ngathi thi ngihlale phansi ngilungise le ewusika. And then mase ku right maybe ngizawubuyela but ebalekile usika. How do we move forward in that spot? How do you then start saying, "Good, I'm not going to fight with you. I'm not going to hate my brother. Okumzalwane mina ngiyisangoma."
Yes.
But how do we coexist together in the same house?
We have something that is common. We are singabantsundu. And the melanated skin is very powerful. It's one of the greatest currency emhlabeni. We need to identify on this level ukuthi singabantu who share the common, not only common skin, but common experience and common issues. And sit down ukuthi kukuphi la singancedana khona without judging one another and calling each other names. You know how demonic it is to call yourself black? Because we were never called black up until the 1600s, right? Black is a demonic white man's concept that was made to make sure ukuthi cabanga mabathi umnyama, which means even the way you think, it's dark. Even though you perceive things, you do dark things. And that has a spiritual power over your life. Because every time uthi umuntu omnyama, ubona failure. That's why umuntu omnyama akathengi eshopini umuntu omnyama. Hayi bafethu, nithenga amashopini amaSomalia. Kune shop kaSiphula laphaya. Because it's not only words, these things are spirits. Ithi ngikwenzele example. Ngicela ukunenzela example. Mangathi, what's your name say? Koketso. Mangathi ngiyamzonda uKoketso. uKoketso angene. The entire room iba tense. Because I've spoken hatred. And the spirit of hatred takes over. And the room iba tense. Just imagine masozibiza ngokuthi umuntu omnyama. You are setting a level impilo yakho, you are setting it to fail. We sit down, no mama nyamthanda mama. We talk, we share certain things. Akazi ukuthi we share so much in common, mina naye. To an extent I was sitting there ngithi yo, I wish I can speak to this woman. Because we share commonalities. Our heritage is beautiful. The way we speak to one another. Uyazi why bazathi umuntu umngoma? It is because they have the ability to transcend and touch the divine through song, right? You understand?
Okay.
Because what we call praise leaders today are bangoma, but on a different side. And worshipers today, because abantu bengoma. We share these things in common. We share food. We share experiences. We share not only names but surnames. We share the same country that we need to fight for. Because believe you me, masilokhu siqhovuzana sibhekane ngamehlo, izwe liyathathwa and seliphelile. Let me make this for a case ezoba controversial. In South Africa, there's never been a black president at all. It was systematically done ukuthi ba destroy umuntu omnyama. And manje because ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi sizoxwasana ngokwenkolo. Ngokuthi wena ushaya isigubhu mina ngishaya igitara sesiyaxwasana. Kodwa kunezinto ezidinga abantwana bethu bayalahleka, is common. Umntana omzalwane ulahleka njengomntana wesangoma. Udakwa ufeba njengomntana wesangoma. Those are common issues that we need to stand up as abantu abantsundu and fight. Sengiqedile mntakababa.
Okay. Yeah. Bafethu, questions, comments, please let us know what you think. Do you contradict in that as Father? Please, this is Soweto podcast. We are open, and I still say we are open-minded for discussion, not with fists, not with hatred, but with positive words that can say, I am learning something that I am not aware of. If I stick firm to my belief, then it's my own baby. Let me carry that. If you say that's your belief, I respect it. Right? I think once we align our mind like that, hence I was asking that as well, can we coexist? Kile sangoma, ole ngwana kwahe, ole mzalwane. Because I know that is what, to date as we speak, families, siblings. How can I conclude? the tension, you can cut it with a knife or rice. Yeah. La mfethu mawungena nje kuyashisa mara kuyabanda. This it's where we are. The state of our families. This is where we are now. As I'm speaking to you, we hate each other to the grave.
And we give our monies to Indians, to
Yes.
Jews.
Yes.
We give our resources, our energy to Indian, to Jews. But we forget that we are one thing. That's why I don't mind spending. You spend some nje per month is about $2 billion, but we do not buy for our own. We do not build our own. We do not trust our own. That's who we are. But that's not, it's an adaptation of who we are. We were not like that in the beginning.
It's an adaptation.
It's an adaptation of who we are. We
Okay.
were made to
Okay.
hate each other.
Okay.
The systems that came, colonization is one of them. Apartheid is one of them. We were made to hate each other.
So we can change this.
We can change that. If I can see you as my brother. A Jew, whether he's a practicing Jew or is a Jew by birth, he's still a Jew. An African, whether he's Pentecostal, charismatic, apostolic, is an African at the end of the day because of the land that you come from.
Guys, what is your solution to all these issues that we are doing? I'm saying, like Uputash, it's an adaptation of what was put into us. Maybe there's something that they saw in us, they decided, these people are way too powerful.
No, we are.
Yeah, it is Fagalogo, and then the system is running itself. Guys, at this time of life, what I would like to know from you as you're watching, mentate abuti ausi. What do you think, especially from your home where you are coming from, what do you think is the solution that you want to be? I know most of us are going through this, guys, family disunities, hatred, divorces, correcting, we can't bear each other. If you had to change this thing around, what is it that you would then say, Siga, what is it that you think you need to do to then bring a solution, to be a solution maker, because normally it's an island. Kusasa nyawo ntatesifat, uyeza uzothi ngidlozi. You hated me. Siphuma esibelethweni sodwa. You see where the contradiction. I always get so confused with this. Like for a short example, very quickly, my dad, we used to fight a lot. Usisintombi lento ayisho ukuthi mina kube ngcono because we spoke before my father passed on last day ngoMarch. I ngabonga uJehova ukuthi yazini, I made amends with the guy after so many years because the way began so strict and the yonke into beyenza ngevibe bekali thana lami belilo show like yazini noma jab simple jab ba mangidai angikhelela manje mfana hayibo mntatona bathu. But when he passed on,
Yes, sir.
that grace, I would sit with the guy in the same bed. And he said what he wanted to say after a few days. And that was it. If I cannot have my parents' blessings, I'll rather never have their curses.
Yes,
I will never have my parents' curses. So I hope one day guys will look at each other and say, wait a second, guys, let us grow in ngondo yethu. Guys, we need to reflect. Honestly, we need to reflect and say, Sipho, I find myself at fault. Yeah, nami mele ngizilungise before ngibheka umfethu, before ngibheka umama, before ngibheka ubabami. I played a role in this thing. Sila efamilini, nami khona la ngakhulumanga kahle khona. Khona i-attitude engimnike leli hlo le, mina ngangitsheli Sipho, mina ngangitsheli lo mama lona, yo bafethu abosisi bethu nabomama bethu, nathi ntate Sifatha.
Yes, sir.
We have destroyed each other so much. It's time to change, and we can do it. Bafethu sothi podcast Rito uthathamula. Sizoqondeka bafethu ngenkani uJehova kasisiza sinikeza amandla with love.
Ngicela ukusho kaso
Yes,
before we
sir.
leave. Because of the podcast, what has happened is that people have been calling from different countries and provinces of the area. So I want to thank God for that. Where's my son? Who is he? It's because of this. He's a product of this Soweto podcast, but he's not alone. It's a lot. Bengicela ke bafethu mawufuna uthi ngizokhulekela angicharge umuntu. Cela ukuyisho lento le. Ayikho into ebuhlungu bafethu njengomuntu athi baba uSifatha ucharge malini. You understand? And lo muntu akana nix. But I need to, because I work with people that I need to feed, I take donations noma ngaba imali. You understand? I take donations noma, but angifuni umuntu mangabe uya, what if ufa kusasa mina ngifuna ukukhulekela because uthi awunamali. That's number one. And number two, bengicela labantu bonke ngisebenza nabo sebe ne culture yokuthi sincedaneni. Mangabe lo akanamali, give me money, I'll go to them and pray for them. uNkulunkulu abasize. And the second one ukuthi we are building an online group, so we go to schools. I want to give away uniforms.
Oh, nice.
And that's one of the reasons that I came to the podcast, Mesh. And thank you for the opportunity.
Wow.
Bengicela bonke abantu abakhonayo. My numbers is still 071 877 and 1437. Can you quickly give me my phone? Singamoshini isikhathi se-podcast. Abantu bafuna ukuhamba. Kunabantu abasimele ekhaya as we speak.
Okay, nice.
Yes, sir. Kunabantu abasimele.
Yeah.
There's a lady that works ku-admin, bengicela nimthinte naye. Inumber yakhe izovela very short.
Uzaqala ngithathele sesintombi na?
Yeah.
And we'll also write it down.
Yes.
Throughout the episode, there's a logo of amanamba wakho.
Cool. Guys, it's not only about ghosts and Ubtagat. If there's one thing that we need to learn on
It's Pastor Elaine Mulobedi, 065 879 8055. Can we pin that? It's Pastor Elaine Mulobedi, 065 879 8055. Sizoyenza make sure that every donation that is made, sinike sithathe responsibility
Yes.
over yona, and we'll come to
And
the
give us
podcast and say,
feedback, please.
"This is what we have done,"
Please.
because kunabantu abaningi abalimele. Thank you guys, and may God bless you.
Guys, can we say this once again? We are a mouthpiece. Please don't contradict us tomorrow and say Sipho nabantu bakho, please.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us just clear that right now, guys. If it's what Ntate Sfatha is doing with their team, out of their goodwill, please. So to podcast, limtsibile ka rona Ntate Sfatha. I get. So please, harabatlos abor Sipho nabantu benu nihambile nenza in or people start doing fraud in the name of Ntate Sfatha and the team. And then they be happy corona. So please, guys, let us learn to deassociate this. And Ntate Sfatha is speaking on their own accord and the team and the work that they are doing. And we do our own work. It is our mouthpiece. To change the world, to change the nations. Please do come to the show. Guys, if there's nothing else that we can do now, I could say the world is coming to an end so very fast. Let each one teach one with love. I still say this. Let us speak the truth in love. So to Podcast Paranormal Show, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Yes, sir.
Kicking and screaming. Uthando ukuqala bafethu. Ngiyanina Sipho Hateri is the show. Thank you bafethu. Ntate Sfatha leadership. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so